I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Paper EO2 online. First, you'll need to access the game, either through your web browser on a computer or by downloading the free app on your mobile device. Once loaded, pick a fun nickname to represent yourself. Your main objective is simple. Expand your colored territory to become the largest player on the map, outsmarting everyone else. To play, you'll control a small colored block. On a computer, use your mouse to guide it. On mobile, simply drag your finger. As you move, you'll leave a colored trail. The key is to draw a loop and connect that trail back to your existing territory. Once connected, the enclosed area becomes yours, adding to your total score. A crucial part of Paper EO2 is interacting with other players. You can eliminate an opponent by crossing their active trail before they manage to connect it back to their own territory. However, be warned, other players can do the exact same to you. Always be mindful of your own trail and avoid making it too long or exposed, as it becomes an easy target. For advanced play, start by making several small, quick expansions to build a solid, secure base. This minimizes risk early on. Pay close attention to how other players are moving. Anticipating their next move can help you defend your territory or launch a surprise attack. Ultimately, the goal is to strategically claim vast sections of the map, aiming for 100% domination to win.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.